Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. This is 7,600 square meters, 600 plus, at 1,000 pesos per square meter. Located in Barangay Kanapnapan, Corilla, Bohol. This is along the road, elevated or overlooking. It's an interior road. So, very few neighbors. There are neighbors but not close to the property. Hindi siya malapit sa mga neighbor. So, this is ideal for the people or to the people who want to live without any neighbor. So itong maganda. Walang kapitbahay. This is slightly elevated. You can make your house on the elevated portion of the property. The price is 1,000 pesos per square meter. It's 1,000 pesos per square meter. So, very nice. Going a little bit elevated or uphill. Yan. Pa-uphill yan, guys. Water, electricity, signal are available. So, marami talagang mga damo. Pero kung ma-clean up yan, guys, kung maayos yan, wala ng mga damo, napakaganda talaga. Ang likuran nito banda ng Tarsier, pero hindi masyadong malapit, medyo distansya lang ng kaunti. Tarsier area na. So it's very nice, really quiet, a little bit elevated. So yan talaga ang presyohan ng may-ari. It's 1,000 pesos per square meter na, guys. From Tagbilaran City, approximately 15 minutes drive from Tagbilaran City. So, mga 15 minutos from Tagbilaran City. So, it's really nice property. Ideal for example, resort development. Pwede ka mag-resort. Kasi may mga areas dito na ginawa ng mga parang mountain resort na. May marami nang naggawa dito, paloob. Kasi ang gandahan dito, pag magawa ka ng hotel dito, parang nasa nature ka ba? Walang mga kapitbahay at tahimik talaga. Yung mga, alam mo na, yung mga foreigners, iba, ayaw ng mga maingay. At malapit lang talaga sa highway to, guys. Nasa mga 100 meters lang from National Highway or 150 meters or 200. Let's say 200. Sobrang layo ng 200, no? Ito po yun, no? Nasa elevated tayo. So, really nice. So, elevated. Ang sistema dito, guys, ang kalsada nasa baba. So, at the lower portion, then slightly elevated going uphill. So, kung ito ay ma-clean up na to, kung wala ng damo, napakaganda. Parang hugis ng a little bit elevated lang talaga, like a small mountain, pero hindi siya mountain talaga, parang elevated lang. Yun po, may mga kahoy din. Okay, thank you.